Hey guys, so for today's video, we're going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing. Well, it's not really an unboxing because I've already opened and used everything, but I'm going to be talking about, are we in June? Yeah, we're in June. I'm going to be talking about June's Boxycharm, and I have to say, I think this one is my favorite one yet. I loved like 99% of everything. First things first, let me address my hair. It's bad, I know. I've been at the pool all week. I'm burnt to a crisp. Can you see how red I am? I'm in so much pain. Yes, I did wear sunscreen. Yes, I reapplied sunscreen, but I think because my pasty pale ass has been in the house in the winter time, if you even want to call wintertime in Houston winter, I have not seen the light of day in a long time. So yeah, I spent this whole week at the pool and I am burnt. I'm in pain, but that is neither here nor there. So yeah, if you are wondering why I'm so red, like let me just show you guys. Oh my god, it's bad, right? Yeah, if you're wondering why I'm so red, that's why. It's because I'm sunburned. And I didn't feel like blow drying my hair last night. Okay, yeah, so there's my disclaimer. I feel like I always have to have a disclaimer because I'm always a hot mess one way or another. Okay, but anyways, let's go ahead and jump in to the video. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items in this month's box. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out my little insert so I can tell you guys how much everything retails for if you buy these things separately. So again, the box is $21. I don't know if they have a waiting list right now. Sometimes they have one, sometimes they don't. So I will leave a link below. It is my link if you want to sign up. I don't make commission or anything off of it. It's just a referral link and I get like points or something to redeem for products. So if you want to use it, you can use it. If you don't want to use it, you don't have to. I don't care. It doesn't matter to me. You guys just do whatever you want to do. But just so you know, I will have a link listed below where if you want to sign up, basically it's like I'm referring you, but no, I don't make any money off of it. Okay, the first thing we have is this eyeliner. This is called, I think it's called Jonteblu. Fancy. This is a charcoal eyeliner, so it's just like a gray eyeliner. I'll go ahead and show you guys a swatch of what it looks like. I didn't use this today because I don't really use pencil liners like hardly ever. I don't really go in with liner in the waterline or on the lash line or anything like that. If I do go in with a liner, it's on a rare occasion that I use a pencil liner. So I don't really find a lot of use for these, and I never ever use gray. I don't know, I just don't use it. Like, I don't care for the color gray, so I'm gonna give this to my grandma. She loves gray eyeliner, and that retailed for $5. So this eyeliner, if you guys are interested, I'll go ahead and tell you, it's 100% vegan, waterproof eyeliner pencil that glides on smooth for an elevated eye look. Use along the upper lash line or waterline. So yeah, gray liner. It seems like it's pretty creamy. I was able to blend it out after it's been sitting on my hand for a couple of minutes. So yeah, that's that. Pencil liner, nothing too exciting. Definitely my least favorite thing in the box because I just don't use pencil liners, but that's okay. We're gonna move forward. So the next thing we have is this. This is the Sol de Janeiro Bum Bum Cream. I've heard so many good, amazing things about this. I can't wait to try this. I haven't tried it yet, but oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like tropical paradise. That I think is like one of my favorite scents ever because it brings back memories of vacation and summertime. Like, I wish they had this in a perfume. If they had this in a perfume, I would be just over the moon happy. This is a smaller one. It retails for $10. And how much product does this have in it? Let me see if I can find the ounce size. 8.4 ounces, so almost an ounce. It's lotion. It's probably not going to last that long, especially if you use it every day, but that's okay. I'm excited to get a little tester to sample it, and if I like it, I can just purchase the full size myself. I don't know where it's sold or anything like that because I've never tried it, but I'm so excited to test this out. So it says that it is creamy and rich in Verona, a native Amazonian plant whose fruit contains one of the most potent forms of caffeine. This fast-absorbing texture contains just enough mica to help add a perfect Brazilian glow, as the formula helps your body look and feel its smoothest and tightest. Oh, pistachio caramel, that's the scent. Yeah, it definitely does smell like caramel. It smells so, oh, it smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. I can't wait to use this. I'm excited to try this out. Next, we have these lashes. These are called Battington lashes. Is this the name of it? Yeah, Battington Monroe Silk lashes. So these retail for $28. That is really expensive for lashes. I will tell you right now, I am not a big believer on spending a lot of money on lashes. I like to spend my money on like makeup, palettes, foundation, stuff like that. I'm okay with spending the extra cash. Lashes, there's so many good affordable lashes. I did a video a few months back of my favorite and the best affordable lashes, all under $10, so I will link that below. Not that there's anything wrong with buying expensive lashes. If you want to, it's totally cool. Just me personally, I would not spend $28 on these lashes. I'm sorry, I just wouldn't do it. But anyways, that is neither here nor there. So let me go ahead and read the description. Enhance your look with moderate length, adding a volume and length to your lashes. They're handmade, 100% silk, and impressive durability, allowing up to 25 application with proper care. Okay, when I first saw these in the box, I was not that excited about them. I looked at them and I was like, they're a little natural for me. I wish they were a little more full. I like a very dramatic lash on the regular. I like them thick, I like them fluffy, I like them long. That's just my personal preference. So when I saw these, I was like, oh, you know, they're pretty. I wouldn't spend almost $30 on them, but yes, they are very pretty. I can see myself wearing them for like a more natural makeup day, which I don't have that often, but you know, on that day, I'll have these lashes to wear. So I put these on today and I really, really like them. They look so pretty. I was not expecting to like them as much as I do. Still probably wouldn't spend $30 on them, but I will say I do like them a lot. They are beautiful. Like, they're beautiful. They look so pretty. They remind me a lot of the Eyeliner and Vegas Nay Shining Star lashes, if you guys have ever tried those. I think these might be just a little bit shorter, but still the same exact type of shape, the same kind of look to it. But the Vegas Nay and Eyeliner ones, the band is so thick, they're a little harder to apply, especially for somebody who's like a beginner to using lashes. I probably wouldn't recommend them for somebody who's never really used lashes or is still trying to learn how to use lashes, because they're incredibly hard to apply. They're even hard for me to apply sometimes, especially if I have a new pack. So if you're in the market and you like those lashes, you don't mind spending the money, these are really nice. I like them a lot. And again, I was not expecting to like them. Even with this bold eye look that I have going on, I really love them. They were so easy to apply. The band is super thin. They went on in 1 second. Literally, I laid them down and they were amazing. I've never heard of Battington lashes, but yeah, so far so good. They look beautiful on the eyes and I really like them a lot. Okay, so next we have the Luxie 3-piece Flawless Complexion Set, and this retails for $42. So I did use all of these brushes today when I did my makeup. I'm gonna tell you guys how I use every brush and the names of it and everything like that. So I think I already said it retails for $42. Luxie brushes are amazing. If you guys have never tried them before, I love a lot of their eyeshadow brushes. I've actually never tried a brush from them that I didn't like, but their brushes are so good. So this whole set retails for 42 bucks. That is already the box plus some, because the box is $21 and this 3-piece set is 42. So, you know, like, that's so crazy. I don't know how they do it with like as much as you get and for how much things retail for, and you only pay like basically 20 bucks for the box. That is beyond my wildest dreams. But anyways, this first one is the 522 tapered highlighter brush. It looks just like this. I used this for contour today. This isn't really my jam for highlighting. I like this type of brush for contouring, so I used it to contour. I feel like my cheeks look nice and snatched, kind of slimmed off a little bit of weight around my face, if you know what I mean. So yes, I use this to contour today. This next one is the Luxie Can I spit it out? This is the Luxie Precision. Fuck. This is the Luxie Precision Foundation Brush. This is the number 660. I don't like brushes to apply my foundation. I only use a sponge. That's the way I like to do it. So I use this today. If you can see, it's kind of like the e.l.f. brush that I use to set my concealer. It has that kind of same shape. I did use this brush to set my concealer today. It was really nice. I don't know how you would even use this for foundation, because I feel like with a foundation brush, if you're buffing it in, it needs to be just a little more like densely packed. So I don't know that I would necessarily use this for foundation anyways. Maybe like a BB cream or something like that, because it is a little more of a like loose brush. The bristles are not quite as dense. I use this to set my concealer. It worked really nice. There's really not much else to say about a brush that sets your concealer. It did a good job, nothing wrong with it, and I like that brush a lot. And then this last one right here, this is the Duo Fiber 516 brush. I used this brush today to apply my blush. It did just like a nice wash of color. It looks super natural. It just blended in very nicely. So yeah, I really enjoy this a lot. I want to be selfish and keep them for myself. I mean, I am going to keep them for myself, but I'm going to put them in my kit. But I want to keep them like for my personal brushes, you know, like I want to use them all the time, but I just don't need any more brushes. So I'm going to put them in my kit, but just know that I don't want to, that I want to use them for myself. But I'm not going to. I'm going to be a good girl. And then the next product we have is actually the liquid lip that I have on today. This is from Ofra. This is the long-lasting liquid lipstick in the shade Verona. So this retails for $21. It's just a really pretty brownie, kind of like a peachy brown nude. Let me go ahead and show you guys a swatch. I love this color. I was so happy that I got this one. I think it was between this and then two other Galactic liquid lipsticks that, like, the colors looked okay, but they just weren't my colors. And I remember when they announced that it was going to be between the two Galactic liquid lips and the Ofra one, I was like, oh my god, I hope I get the Ofra one because that color is just so my tone. So I ended up getting it. I'm really happy. Ofra is one of my top liquid lipstick formulas because they're so comfortable. It feels like there's nothing on your lips. So yeah, I was really happy to add another Ofra liquid lip to my collection. So the last thing that we have in the box is my favorite and what I was most excited about. It's what I have on my eyes right now. This is the Reina del Caribe. I'm sure I'm butchering that. I'm sorry, I don't know Spanish, but this is from Alamar Cosmetics. And let me just open this. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? Look. Yes. 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 So this retails for $28. You have 8 shades in the palette. This looks like a tropical paradise. I have it on my eyes today. I used almost every single shade. I used this one right here on my lid. This was my favorite that I was the most excited to try, and it did not disappoint because it is absolutely stunning. I used this on the lower lash line. This one right here, wait. Okay, there we go. This one right here for the inner corner and brow bone. And then I used this, and this in the crease. And then I used this one on the outer V. The only one I didn't get to use was the blue, but I will use that on another day. This is so beautiful. It's so pigmented. It's so creamy. It's so shimmery. It's all of my dreams come true in a palette. I have been just into blues and greens and like those very summery tropical shades lately, so I feel like this just came at the most perfect time. I was actually online shopping for like more blues and greens. I was looking for more shadow so I could do more like summery, bright, tropical looks. Actually, the same day that Boxycharm posted that this was gonna be in the box, and I was like, that's all I need. I don't even need to buy anything else because this has everything that I've been looking for in the palette. I'll go ahead and insert swatches so you guys can see how everything looks swatched out. This was by far my favorite. I just feel like there were so many good products in this box and I'm obsessed. I'm in love. If you guys haven't checked out Boxycharm and you're thinking about it, do it. Like, what are you waiting for? Sign up. Cancel every other subscription box and just sign up for this one. Yeah, that's actually the end of this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think. Let me know what other videos you want to see. If you like my monthly Boxycharm videos, go ahead and like the video just so I know to continue to do them. Go ahead and subscribe before you go. If you're not already subscribed, hit the post notification button because apparently YouTube is doing some crazy shit. So go ahead and hit that bell as well. That was a rhyme. Go ahead and hit the notification bell so you guys never miss any of my videos. I'll leave my referral link for Boxycharm, and then I will leave everything listed below separately as well. If you're interested in purchasing any of these products separately, I'll go ahead and link them below. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'm still gonna do my affordable eyeshadow brushes. That'll probably be my next one actually. And then a haul video. I'm gonna be doing some reviews I have in mind coming up as soon as I get my online order. So stay tuned. I've got a lot of like content that I'm gonna be pumping out left and right for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it when you guys take the time to watch my videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Dang, girl. Going all out on that video. Got on a cute shirt and everything.
Do you always have to wreak havoc when you come home?
Did the hair did, your earrings on.
I didn't even do my hair. That's why I have on earrings, because my hair looks like shit.
Do you feel like a rock star with all that stuff?
No.
Come on, Charlie, get out.
Charlie can stay. You have to go.